brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
What's up, Flavor Squad? It's your girl Fashionesha here to give you all the flavor. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below hashtag Flavor Squad. If you are not new here, I thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today, guys, this video is gonna be like a 2-day vlog. Today I'm going to the mall. Now let me tell you, I'm really upset about going to the mall because I don't want to, but I low-key have to. So I haven't been shopping since, let me see. It has to have been since like July, August, I don't know, but I haven't been shopping in a long time. And I know you can tell from my channel that I love to shop, from my name that I love to shop. So, but I just decided to not shop for the rest of the year because I wanted to just be able to put my money into my business and not frivolously spending on stuff I really don't need. I'm trying to be disciplined here. So I got these new jogger sets. Let me show y'all. If you haven't been paying attention to my page, my website, my clothing brands page, I dropped new jogger sets. This is the blue set here. Got the details on the sleeve, details on the pants. Living life in a dynamic fashion. Super comfortable. These are our vintage sets. I'm wearing a size small for reference. So, back to what I was saying. So we dropped these sets and I want to style them. I want to make TikToks for them, and I want to just, you know, advertise for them or whatever on my TikTok, on the brand TikTok, whatever. But I cannot do that because my style of clothing that I was wearing before, like I started my brand, doesn't match my brand style. My brand style is more chill, streetwear, comfortable. My style of clothing is more like that girl, and that girl doesn't go well with, well, my version of that girl doesn't go well with chill, streetwear, comfortable. So I made the hard decision to go to the mall, try to find just like a few basic pieces that I could style with all the sets, maybe a couple pair of shoes. I don't know. Shoes are so freaking expensive, and I'm just like, what? $200? That's insane. That is insane. $189, insane. I don't have a lot of shoes. I don't pay that much for shoes because, like I said, my style was more so girly, blah blah blah. So yeah, when I bought shoes, they were cheap but cute, cheap but effective. So that's what we're about to do now. I'm about to go get me some food first, and then we're gonna head to the mall to see if we can find anything. Hopefully I can, and hopefully it doesn't like break the bank, because I'm not trying to do that. Also, we dropped these on Black Friday. We dropped these jogger sets on Black Friday. They did really well. Thank you to everybody who shopped with us for Black Friday weekend, Cyber Monday. Did better than I expected it to do, but I was very proud, very thankful for everybody who shopped. We're still selling these, so you can definitely go check that out on our website. Don't forget your codes. Don't forget to give us your email, your phone number, so that you can get money off. Yeah, we also dropped some shirts too, $9.99 tees and $11.99 long sleeve tees. So make sure you go check that out. They're the definition tees on the website. Is that all that's new? Yeah, I think that's all that's new. Let me stop talking y'all head off. Let's get out the house because it is 11:30 and I know the people have already started to get out in the streets for today. So I'm about to go get me some food and head to the mall, see what we can find. See, it just happened again. I went in there to find like a different purse I could wear with this. All my purses are giving fancy smancy. Like, I think I'm gonna just go purseless today. Cause I don't wanna, I just wanna look good. And I wanna look like it match. And it's just not matching right now. Oh my gosh. That's really annoying. Okay, whatever. Okay, y'all, so I decided to come to Ross first because I was like, okay, if I'm gonna get some stuff and I don't want to spend that much, let's start at a discount store. So yeah, I'm here. I'm about to go see what they have. I hope they got a lot of things. I hope they got everything I need. So let's go. So Ross wasn't that bad. I only found one pair of jeans though, and I went to Rack Room Shoes next door and I found a pair of shoes. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I buy today at the end of the video. So yeah, I'm on to the mall now because they just didn't have like exactly what I was looking for. But the mall should. There's a million stores in here. If I don't find nothing, that is ridiculous. So I'm getting some tropical smoothie right now because I'm starving. And then after that, I'm going to the mall. So hopefully, you know, this works out. Okay, y'all, so it's definitely the next day, but I did want to come on here and just show you guys what I got yesterday when I went to the mall. I did not get much, but I got like a few things that I could work with for sure. So let's start with the small stuff. So from Ross, I just got a pair of vintage black jeans. And they're actually a pair of Levi's. These are here. Super simple. Nothing too crazy. They fit really well, and I think I can style them with one of the sets maybe. We gotta see how this gonna work out. But I do think that these jeans are like something I can keep and use whenever. From Forever 21. From Forever 21, I got this vintage wash black gray crop top. I think this will go really well with the bottoms for my vintage sets. So we're gonna try that out. Then I got this pair of overalls. This I'm really excited to like try out because this is like the style that I don't usually wear, but I think it's gonna be really cute. So this is the overalls. Hope you can see the color. It's more of a dark olive. The light is kind of washing it out, but it's an olive green overalls with like this silver detailing up there. So I think I can put something together with these. This was really cute when I saw it. So there's that. That's really all the clothes that I got. I couldn't find much. I think I'm gonna have to go shopping online for the clothes. Now the shoes, I didn't want to buy like 6 pair of shoes. So I only got 2 pair of shoes. They're both black and white. Super simple. I feel like I can put them with different colors, different outfits, and it'll work. So that's exactly what I wanted. Here is the first pair of shoes. They're Nike Air Max. I don't know for sure like what type of shoes. Air Max both. Just for you sneakerheads who might be into that type of thing. These are, let me get up and show you. These are the Air Max here. Super cute. I really like these shoes. They're super comfortable. They're really comfortable, lightweight, not doing too much, just black and white. This is how they look. Love these shoes. And I got them in a size 7.5. Usually I'm a 7, but Air Max, sometimes they just be running a little too small for me. So I got them in a 7.5. They fit perfect. The next pair of shoes I got are Nike Court Legacy Canvas Mids. I've been eyeing these shoes for a long time, and I thought these would be perfect to go with just any outfit. style it with something. I love these. Super cute. Super simple shoes, not doing too much. Nothing too crazy. That's exactly what I wanted. Now usually I do like the extra shoes. The shoes are like all the colors in it. I love those shoes. But right now I wanted to keep it simple so that I could style it with like different things. Like I said, also when I was shopping, I was thinking about it. I was like, maybe I should make it my goal to buy at least a couple shoes a month. That way I can build up this new style that I'm trying to create so that I can match things that I have with my actual business. Because like I said, my clothes just don't match. I can't wear the shoes I have. I can, but I can't. It just depends on what it is. Like this t-shirt, I can of course style with stuff I have in my closet, but when it comes to my jogger sets and how I want to show them off, I cannot style them with things that I have in my closet. So yeah, there's that. And that's all I bought today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button if you did. Comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Make sure you hit the bell notification button so that you can be notified when I drop a video. Thank you again, you guys, for supporting me during this Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. The jogger sets are still available online. I will put up pictures here, all around so that you guys can see what those look like. Check us out online. Let me know if you have any questions. But that's all I have for you guys. So continue to be dynamic, and I will see you guys in the next one.